Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami flower. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper of the measurements given. You may take some more fresh colors like green, pink, indigo, yellow, etc. Alright, now fold it. Press well. Open it. Now from the other side, the same step. Again press well. Alright. Now fold as shown. Good. Fold the corners equally. Now fold it into a leaf type shape. Now from the other side, turn and fold the same steps. Fold the top. Press well. Open it from the other side also. Okay. Now open the folds. Sharp the creases from the second side. Then third one. And finally the fourth. Now a square has been formed in the center of the paper. Turn it back. Now press the creases as shown in the video. Okay. Now fold inwards. By doing so, you will have a diamond shape. Watch out the corners. Now open it. Fold it carefully. Don't let the corners be unequal. From the other side, the same step. Again, take care of your corners. Well done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Press well. Now turn as shown. From the bottom to the top. Press well. Nearly done. Fold it into a crown type shape. Now from the other side, the same steps. Now fold. Repeat the same steps on the third side also. Now on the fourth side, the same step. Alright, nearly done. Press it as shown. From the all four sides, you may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share our videos with your friends, family members and relatives. Alright, adding some detailings into the craft so that it may look like elegant and natural one. Nearly done. And ta-da, it's done.